In this video, we are going to see about company accounts and especially shares when they are issued at a premium. So, shares when they are issued at their price which is greater than the face value of the share, it is called shares issued at premium. So, excess amount is called the securities premium amount, and this amount is transferred to the securities premium account. So, in the balance sheet, it is shown under a separate head called reserves and surplus. So let's look at the journal entry which is passed for this securities premium account. So the journal entry which is passed is, there are two types of journal entries. The first is when securities premium is collected during the application process. So that is going to be share application account data to share capital account to securities premium account. So before this entry you will be giving the receipt of application entry, that is bank to share application, and then this entry will come with the narration part. Then secondly is when we are going to receive the securities, or we are going to collect the securities premium during allotment process. So share allotment account data to share capital account to securities premium account. Either it may happen this way or it may happen this way, not both at the same time. After this entry, you will have the receipt of allotment, that is bank account data to share allotment account. So this is the two journal entries involved in shares issued at premium for the time being. When you have forfeiture and the shares have been issued at premium, you have a different entry which we are not going to see now. So for now it is going to be only these two. So let's go have a look into a sum to clearly have an understanding over shares issued at premium. So this is the 16th sum. So let me read through the sum. Vishwanath Furniture Limited invited applications for 20,000 shares at 10 rupees each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. So the breakup of it is application 2 rupees, allotment 5 which includes premium, first and final call 5 rupees. So when you add it up in the previous sums, you will get the face value, that is 10. But now if you add it up, you will get 12 rupees. That is, this 2 rupees is included during allotment. Therefore, we must take the second journal entry. So the premium is being received during allotment process. Now further, there was oversubscription and the applications were received for 30,000. So they have offered only 20,000 shares whereas they have received 30,000 share applications. So there is an excess of 10,000 shares. So this 10,000 shares excess applications were rejected by the directors. So all the money due were received past the journal entry. So it is not a forfeiture, not a calls in arrears. All the money was received and we have to pass a journal entry. Keeping in mind we have a rejection. So you will have one extra entry and you have allotment with premium. So that will be a small difference in the allotment entry. So other than that, the other entries are the same, exactly the same how you do in a normal sum. So first I'll write down the entries and then I can explain it to you with the figures. The journal entries of Vishwanathan Furniture Limited is this, that is in the books of Vishwanathan Furniture Limited, journal entries, and you have to write the date, particulars, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount, which I am not writing for now. So the first entry is going to be receipt of application money, that is bank account data to share application. So the total amount of application received were 30,000 and the application money is 2 rupees. So therefore they are receiving 60,000 rupees as application money. Whereas they are going to actually transfer only the actual offered applications, that is the company is offering only 20,000 shares into 2 rupees, so 40,000. So if you compare here and see itself, you will know how much was rejected. 60 minus 40 is 20 was rejected. If you see through the share value, 30 minus 20 is 10,000. 10,000 into 2 is also 20,000. So our rejection entry is going to be the next entry. So share application account data to bank. That is going to be our rejection entry. That is, we are giving back the shares which were excess, which were collected in excess. So the excess shares were 10,000 shares into 2, or you can do as 60,000 minus 40,000 in the previous entry. So 20,000 was rejected and refunded to the shareholders. So next entry is going to be the allotment. So now when you're doing allotment, you must keep in mind that there was securities premium also included in it. So the rest of the sum you're going to do with the actual amount of shares which has been offered by the company, that is 20,000. So 20,000 into 20,000 into and 20,000 into. Right. So 20,000 share allotment account data will be the actual share allotment which is given in the breakup, that is 5 rupees. Leave out the share capital. How much was securities premium? 2 rupees was the securities premium. So 5 minus 2 is going to be 3 rupees as the share capital. Or first multiply and write this off. 2 lakh into 5,000 is going to be 1 lakh. Sorry, 20,000 into 5,000 is going to be 1 lakh, and securities premium 20,000 into 2 is going to be 40,000. So when you subtract 1 lakh and 40,000, you will get the share capital as 60,000. Or you can do it this way as per value share. Next, you are going to receive the value. So when you are receiving, you are going to receive the entire allotment value. So you can just copy the allotment value of 1 lakh and post it into the next receipt entry of the allotment. That is bank account data to share allotment. Next is going to be the first and final call. So the rest of the sum you are going to do it with the shares offered, as I have already told you. So 20,000 shares were offered, and the first and final call value is going to be 5 rupees. So it's again 1 lakh for the due share first and final call to share capital, and transfer the same 1 lakh to the receipt also. So bank account data to share and share first and final call is going to be 1 lakh again. So this is the simple rejection come share securities premium account sum. Please go through it. It's a very easy sum.